Hello everyone, I am Sai Jatan and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to talk about the mini window and the floating window options which is present right now in the Realme UI 2.0 update. So right now I did update my two phones from the Realme X7 Pro to the Realme UI 2.0 and the Realme X2 Pro as well to the Realme UI 2.0. So both phones there is a special option which is called the floating window and the mini floating window. So in this video I'll try to explore what are the floating windows and what are the mini floating windows. So this is a kind of really new interesting feature which is implemented in the Realme UI 2.0 UI particularly. So let's get started friends, and in case if you want more videos on this Realme UI 2.0, so make sure to check the playlist which are created for the Realme UI 2.0 users. So that playlist will give you all the tips and tricks and all the features about this Realme UI 2.0. So let's begin friends, this kind of multi-window and floating window and the mini window explanation. So let me quickly close this floating window, and let me even close this one as well. So this one also is closed. So once you open all the applications, like whatever application you want in the floating window, you just need to go to the multitasking tray, as you can see friends. So once you go there, just click on these two dots. Once you click that, you do get the options of floating window and the mini window. You can clearly see here friends. So in the Realme UI 1.0, you will be seeing only these three options. You won't see more than that options. As you can see, three options. But right now you can see two different extra options of floating window and the mini window. So these are quite interesting features which you can actually try in your mobile phone. So first option is the floating window, so which will open in the big size window, as you can see friends. So in the background you can use any other applications in case if you want, and if you want to minimize this big window to small one, you can actually do that. Just go to the home screen. So that's it, the big window will become mini window. So this is actually called the mini window friends, as you can see here. So I'm not sure why they used two different mini window and the floating window terms. They could have actually integrated into one actual term which is a floating window, but they did try to choose this kind of two different options. So let me need to open again to show you in the mini window what happens. So it actually opens directly in the mini window, as you can see friends. So in this way you will be able to watch a couple of applications. I think YouTube is not supported at the moment with this kind of feature. So let me try to try opening the YouTube and show you. Maybe only few apps might be able to support. As you can see, there is no multi-window split screen, nothing for this YouTube application particularly. As you can see friends, only few apps will be able to take advantage of this kind of floating window and the mini window options which is right now is there in the Realme UI 2.0. So in case if you're having any other queries, so make sure to comment below, and if you try to long press, you'll get this kind of into mark. You can just cancel that floating window directly over there just by clicking the into mark. So don't forget to check the playlist for more videos on the Realme UI 2.0, and in case if you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.